only wanna do you.
Hi, I'm Maria Goretti and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. Yes, see, Payal is somebody that I know. She's been styling me since I worked with MTV, and I can never refuse her whenever she calls me. What I like about her clothes is that they're stunning, okay? And I love her kids collection because it is simple and it's a kids collection.
Okay.
And that's what and they're comfortable with my kids are wearing it, and I thought it was really sweet and cute. Dene loves her clothes. Okay, she completely loves her little heart necklace. She completely loves her petal skirt. Zeke, of course, was a boy, and he looked at the pants and said, "Can I wear this with jeans?" So I was like, "No, you can't wear this with jeans. I think these pants are really funky, and you wear them."
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Payal Singhal and our lovely guest, Maria Goretti. The collection has been styled by Shrimit Chaudhary.
Hi, I'm Tanisha and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. Oh, it was great fun. What I really liked about Payal Singhal's clothes was that they were just so like flowy, and the kids seemed so happy in them. They seemed to be like, hey, having a great time. And they had a lot of bling because my niece loves bling. Definitely. I think that's why Payal invited me. She's like, come on, I've got a full-on customer in hand.
Okay.
Hi, you're watching me on MissMalini.com. So basically, when we started our kids line, we previewed it at the Lakme Fashion Week. We always wanted, like, the kids line was an extension of the adult line. But having said that, we don't want the kids to look like they're trying to dress up, too old. So we wanted it to be more girly and more feminine. So that's why the pastel color palette. Even in terms of the clothes, like, we know that clothes can get expensive. So we want them to be something that can be worn in 2-3 different ways. So the parents feel like they can justify it because, the kids grow so fast. So all the outfits that you saw actually can even be worn as party frocks, and you can wear them with leggings and dupatta and a necklace and make it into an Indian outfit. You can do several versions of it. You can wear the necklace on other Indian outfits. So I just thought that the whole concept was a very mix and match, very pastel, it's almost like trying to create an Indian version of Baby Gap was what I had a thought process in my head when I was designing this collection. Yeah. So we dedicated this collection to Each One Teach One, which is a charity which is helping teach underprivileged children all over India. It's been, a lot of great work is being done by a really close friend of mine, Milan Choksi of Moksha Jewelers. He is, kind of spearheading this whole thing, and they're having a fete on Sunday at Jos, where we have designers like Namrata Barua. There's, Rinaldi, Reena's Little Angel shoes, our clothes, all these designers coming together to do a little fair. You can learn about Each One Teach One, the activities for kids. So it's kind of teaching, it's like the motto is fun equals charity. So it's like teaching your children to do charity, you yourself do it, and you're helping children all over India. So we think it's a great charity and we want to totally support them.
Hi, this is Archana Vatnerkar and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. It was awesome, but I was doing PR for Nisha Harale. So it's nice to do something new apart from the modeling. I am now, whenever I'm free and not modeling on the ramp, rather setting the ramp on fire, I'm getting the PR done. And it's fun. Frankly speaking, I think I've learned so much from the kids. I've been doing ramp, but then it's awesome the kind of energy they have. They're so happy to be there and they're awesome. So I think I've learned a lot from them and they're so cute. You're just happy to see them around. Lots of love. I've got so many hugs and kisses from the kids. So yeah. Okay, and a special message to Miss Malini and her team. I read your tweets, I follow your Facebook. I think you guys are doing an awesome job. My day is incomplete if I don't read your tweets. So please keep them coming. More power to you guys.